Fiji Water Flying Fijians head coach Mick Byrne now has the challenge of assembling his squad on time as they prepare for next month's test matches. Byrne hopes to gather the 32-member squad by the end of this month to have ample time to gel the players well as they take on Australia in their first test match. Venina Songanga with this report.
The Fiji Water Flying Fijians will need to rise to the occasion when they take on the two Tier 1 nations team. Head coach Mick Byrne says that the players coming from around the world brings a lot of advantage and experience to the team.
We're bringing in, as you can see, there's a number of different environments, over 12 or 13 different environments our players are coming from, and we'll get 3 training sessions with them. And we're really looking forward to, while that sounds a challenge, it's actually exciting because what it does is it brings a lot of energy with all these players coming together, creates a lot of energy for us and puts a lot of challenges on us as players and staff, but the excitement takes care of that.
Byrne reveals that the coaching and management staff will remain the same.
Our major ceremony by Graham Jews will be with us again in our coaching staff. We've been meeting over the last couple of months regularly, and before that, we were chatting through Super Rugby. We went and watched the Draw play Moana together and had a good coaching camp. So we've been working together through that process. And
he adds that another challenge is getting the boys to train together in only 3 days before their highly anticipated match against Australia.
We're all excited to come in and work. Obviously, with the international program, we only got 3 training days. So having coached for 6 months to only get 3 training days is going to be a challenge, but we'll keep our heads down and we'll understand our players have played a lot of rugby and we'll look after them when they come in.
The Fiji Water Flying Fijians will assemble in the country at the end of this month before flying out on the 26th of June to face Australia in Newcastle on July 6th. Venina Songanga, Fiji One News.